The reason why we partnered with AJAC is we were looking for a solution to help with continuing education and supervisor training to build our supervisors. One of the things we found is it's really hard to find supervisors with experience already in this city. So we decided that we were going to home grow our own. It's nice to have an outside voice that can also hit on more than just leadership training or how to interact with employees, also understanding the components of manufacturing, which was missing. My name is Ryan Mallmann. I'm the HR manager here at HDT in Spokane, Washington. The biggest growth that I've seen in our apprentices is the ability to take things another additional level, to look at the bigger picture. Our supervisors that have taken this class are able to do a little bit more of a deep dive. They're also able to maybe look at, hey, this individual is not a good fit for this location on the line. I think they'll be a lot better over at this part of the line, or this might be better in this part of the shop. So just taking that extra step to look at the broader picture instead of getting caught in the inertia of just a disgruntled employee. They actually look at it on how it's going to benefit the company as a whole and not just them as a supervisor, not looking for the easy way out. One of the things that I've noticed in terms of the culture of our supervisors and with our team leads is that they see that there's light at the end of the tunnel. So the supervisors know that they're growing into the position that they might not have been 100% qualified for to begin with. Now they really are. Our team leads now see, hey, I need to become an apprentice and I need to get my journeymans in order to be eligible to become a supervisor. So there's that growth opportunity. And then our shop employees are seeing, hey, there might be a reason to become a team lead because that'll eventually lead into the supervisor position. So it's a little bit more formal instead of it just being who was a good friend of a friend of a friend, right? So there's a little bit more formal approach. It's easier to quantify what makes somebody eligible to become a supervisor, not just length of service or knowing how to be really good at building one aspect of a product line. AJAC's end goal is everybody graduates, so they will go above and beyond to make sure anybody that needs a little bit of help, whether it's through communication, studying techniques, just need a little bit of extra help, teaching them that communication is key. I think the teachers do a good job. Hey, if you can't make class, let me know. We'll work on homework after, an assignment to make up for that. That's what I really appreciate, the importance of understanding, because it translates here. You just got to communicate. If you're going to miss, you're a supervisor, you're a team lead, communicate with us and we'll work on that. Well, I think the great thing about the operations specialist program is that the students get something that they can take for the rest of their life. Not only do they have that certificate that says it's completion, which shows current and future employers that they're willing to put a little skin in the game and to better themselves. They understand that continuous improvement is not just on the production floor, continuous improvement is yourself as well. I've told everybody that I know that's graduated from this program, in the future, if you're on a job interview, you're going to hand your resume, you're going to have a copy of your certificate, and you're going to have a copy of that card, because it's a big deal, especially in manufacturing. There's a lot of people that didn't have the opportunity to go to college. We have people that are new supervisors. We've got people that have been around for 30 years that have taken advantage of this. So it's something that shows that you're never too experienced, never too old to stop learning. So I really like the fact that they really come out with something that's more than just a piece of paper. It's a true certificate. It's that knowledge that they can do with their day-to-day work. And they also have that really cool journeyman card that very many people can say they have. Anybody that wants to build from within and they see that you're not going to hire a supervisor, especially if you're in a niche manufacturing environment like we are, where you can't just pull anybody off the street and put them in a supervisor role. It's great for us because we really have to have that product knowledge, and then you can apply the supervisor knowledge. So if you're one of those kind of manufacturing companies, it's also a great thing. If it's very difficult for you to hire outside, and if you want to promote from within and you see the benefit of that, AJAC is who you want.